G'day Australia, Coram Ellis here from Universal Fuse, the DIY-cademy. We've put together an order for Michael F from Newton, Victoria. And let me tell you about it, it's pretty effing exciting. It is the very smart new Kicker Key micro amplifier with built-in processing tuner. We've put this together for Michael, plug and play for a VF Commodore. Now this is very unique to Universal Fuse. We make these plug and play harnesses for a variety of smart amps like the Pioneer Smart Amplifier, the Kicker Key Smart Amplifier, the Alpine PXH650E processor, and a few others. Now what this allows Michael to do is he is going to be able to plug and play to his VF Commodore this small, compact, powerful amplifier which is going to amplify the front and rear speakers. However, unlike many options out there on the market and how some other stores will configure these amplifiers in a VF, we do not simply amplify the front and rear speakers. If you did that, Michael's head would get blown off by his front parking sensor chimes and the indicator tick through the car's factory speakers, because those sounds actually come through the car's audio system. So if you simply amplify all 4 channels, it will be very uncomfortable for regular driving operations. So this particular very smart little harness that we've configured changes all that, and it isolates the front indicator tick and the front parking sensor chimes to come through this additional speaker which is included as a part of the kit for VF Commodore. Now that little setup and configuration is only relative to the VF Commodore and some other unique cars like some late model Holden Colorados. We do it in that vehicle as well. But this plug and play harness for the Kicker Smart Amplified Processor is available for almost every car. We have a huge range of the plug and play harnesses. We keep all of these in stock for different vehicles that allow us to plug and play configure the Kicker Smart Processor Amplifier for heaps of different Aussie vehicles. So if you want to upgrade your sound in your car, the best way to start is with the heart of the system, your amplifier. That's going to drive your speakers better, give you more tunability, more configuration options. These particular amplifiers don't just amplify, they have high level tuning, digital sound processing, acoustic time correction, a lot of things to make your sound much, much better. It's not like an old-fashioned analog amplifier, it's the smart digital way to amplify and control your sound. And we can set it up for you, plug and play, with a DIY solution so that you can get it all done very nice and easy. Check out the website for more. Make sure you follow us on this channel, whichever it is, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, whichever you're watching this on. Stay tuned to all the latest and greatest packs we've got available for you, and go to www.universalfuse.com.au for this smart Kicker plug and play amplifier and much, much more. See you there soon.